driven.co. Cool, look at what we got today. We got a really super neat 1964 Sunbeam Alpine GT. This is an authentic GT. So it comes with a very nice factory hardtop. But this is not just any GT. This GT comes loaded. This is a super solid older restoration. It's in wonderful nick. The paint gleams, it's shiny. The contrast on the, I guess you'd call it brick colored interior or burgundy interior, is just great. Along with the wood and against the white, it's a fantastic color combination. British motoring at its finest. And you'll see there's no visible rust anywhere on the body. Body's nice and straight. And this is probably one of the peppiest Alpines we've ever driven. This one really gets up and goes. It does have a Weber carburetor upgrade, so perhaps that's the reason, but this car wants to move. It really does drive fantastic. Steering is tight. This is a British roadster that you could just turn the key, hop in, and drive. And with that overdrive, that's so important, because without it, you're really revving, and freeway driving is just no fun. With the overdrive, it's absolutely a joy. Full complement of gauges, including a Smith's clock. This one even sports a glove box. Fantastic little car, so much British fun. If you'd like to take a look at this car, ask us some more questions, find out some more about it, please give us a buzz over in Southern California at driven.co, 949-234-6353. We'd be happy to tell you all about it, and we know if you drive this car, you will want to take it home. It's that simple. This is a great Sunbeam Alpine GT. Let's go drive this thing.